Welcome to my crib. It has been a wonderful time in this apartment. Here is finally my empty apartment tour because I told y'all back then, y'all wasn't gonna know which ones I picked because people be crazy. All right, so here it is. We coming in. First thing you see is the kitchen area. This is the view of the living room from the kitchen. And then on the side of the kitchen, the first two double doors will be my washer and dryer setup. Missed this, loved it. You know, nothing like a in-unit washer and dryer, okay? All right, so as we move off from the kitchen, you go to your first closet. This is kind of like your coat closet, your storage closet, if you will. And then right next to that is the desk. And I know y'all remember seeing this because it's in all the backgrounds of my videos. This is what I used to record in front of. I used to sit down at this desk and do my nice editing. So this was a perfect little space. And then we go into the living room. Typically people use this space as a dining room and a living room, but I didn't because I recorded in that space where the desk is at. All right, off the living room was my bedroom because this was a one bed. Okay, the bedroom was carpeted, super cozy, super cute. And then once you go into the bedroom, you can go to the bathroom off of the bedroom. And here is the bathroom. We have the double sink situation, which I loved. I used to use one sink for hands washing, face care, and then I used the other sink to do my hair and makeup. Loved it. Gotta love a double sink. Again, this also has tons of storage. There's the cabinet above the toilet. Cabinet is under the sink. Here's our tub, which I think, now that I moved, this was a nice size tub, okay? And then here is more storage over here, up and down. And then from the bathroom, we go into my closet. Whew. We love this closet, okay? Loved it. Loved it. The closet is carpeted as well. Mad storage space, okay? Mad storage space. And then from the bathroom, you can go back out and then you are back into the kitchen. And this is just me taking it all in because, girl, it's time to go. It is time to go. But here is the view. This is what I saw from my windows. I got the pool view, the whole courtyard, all that jazz. So that's a gift and a curse. I just want y'all to know that now. It's cute, but when people out there, it's noisy. So here's the view of the kitchen from the living room. See, very spacious, super cute. You know, y'all seen the videos up in here, but this is what the whole apartment looked like. So if you've seen Apartment Hunting, the first version of that, you've seen this in that video. Here's my last walk out of the apartment. And it's been real, guys. I know you've seen me apartment hunting. I have moved now. So if you can guess what apartment this is, let me know in the comments. Peace.